Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on a POCO M5. So let's start with opening Google Play Store. Right here locate app called RAR. It's A-R-A-R. Hit the search button, select the app and download it. After the installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Grant its all file access. Go back. Dismiss. And from here your app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.